Okay, so I'm here looking at a slide out with Terry. So welcome again to What's in the Shop. And Terry's basically looking at a slide out system. And as you can see, there's a mark on that shaft where he's planning on moving that bell back to. But what he found out was that it was misadjusted, and the slide out was actually using the surface of the wall and was stopping too far back, bottoming out on the actual metal rail. And so basically, you want to go from there, Terry? What do you got to do to this guy? So you're trying to break the nuts loose, obviously. I see the rusty.
It's on there. So what I would want to do is move the bell out, or move the bell in, because as I had it all the way in, the bell was still almost a ½ inch from even touching the frame. So this was doing the stopping, which it's not supposed to. So you got to adjust the bell out, and that's your stopping point. Once that bell hits the frame, that's it.
And I see you put a mark on that.
I'm going to start with that mark. Yes. Okay. Yes.
All right. Well, hopefully we'll get her all adjusted up. So stay tuned for more. And it's just another slide out that was misadjusted, and the owner has been causing damage to the sidewall from it. So stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching.